My dear students of Standard 10, good day to all of you. I am S. Harisankar, hoping you are all utilizing your time well at home. Today, I want to teach you Chemistry Chapter 3, Acid, Base and Salts. In this video, I am going to explain you the following points from acid portion. They are of an acid with examples, classification of acids, properties of acids, preparation of acids, and applicable questions with regard to acids. Now, let us know what is an acid. An acid is a compound when dissolves in water produces hydronium ion as the only positive charged ions. For example, HCl with water gives hydronium ion and chloride ion. Sulfuric acid with water gives hydronium ion plus sulfate ions. Nitric acid plus water gives hydronium ion plus nitrate ion. Similarly, acetic acid in water gives hydrogen ion plus acetate ion. Phosphoric acid with water gives hydrogen ion plus phosphate ion. Now, on the basis of sources of acids, they are of two types. One organic acids and the other one is inorganic acids. Organic acids are those which are derived from plants. For example, acetic acid, oxalic acid, tartaric acid, lactic acid, citric acid, etc. Similarly, inorganic acids are those which are derived from minerals. For example, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid. On the basis of strength of acids, they are again grouped into two types. One is strong acid, the other one is weak acid. Let us know the definition of strong acid. Strong acid is an acid which dissociates completely in aqueous solution, thereby producing a high concentration of hydrogen ions. Example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Because they ionize completely in water to give maximum number of hydrogen ions. Now, weak acid is an acid which dissociates partially in aqueous solution, thereby producing a low concentration of hydrogen ions. All organic acids are weak acids, and an inorganic acid, carbonic acid, is treated as a weak acid. On the basis of basicity of acids, they are divided into three types: monobasic acid, dibasic acid, and tribasic acid. Now, what is the definition of monobasic acid? Monobasic acid is an acid which ionizes in aqueous solution to produce one hydrogen ion per molecule of the acid. Example, hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid, acetic acid. Now, dibasic acid. It ionizes in aqueous solution to produce two hydrogen ions per molecule of the acid. Example, carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, sulfurous acid, and carbonic acid. Now, tribasic acid is an acid which ionizes in an aqueous solution to produce three hydrogen ions per molecule of acid. For example, phosphorus acid and phosphoric acid. Now, let us know properties of acids. Acids are sour in taste in aqueous solution. Minerals acids are highly corrosive in nature. Acids turn blue litmus paper red. Acids neutralize bases to give salt and water. For example, hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide gives sodium chloride and water. This is also called neutralization reaction. And the fifth property is acids react with active metals like zinc, magnesium, iron to liberate hydrogen gas. For example, zinc plus hydrochloric acid gives zinc chloride and hydrogen. Sixth point, acids react with metallic carbonates or metallic bicarbonates to liberate carbon dioxide gas. Example, sodium carbonate plus dilute hydrochloric acid gives sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. Seventh point, acids react with sulfides and bisulfides, liberate sulfur dioxide gas. For example, sodium sulfide plus dilute hydrochloric acid gives sodium chloride plus water plus sulfur dioxide. Similarly, potassium bisulfite with dilute hydrochloric acid gives potassium chloride plus water plus sulfur dioxide. Eighth point is less volatile acid displaces the more volatile acid on heating with salt. For example, sodium chloride with concentrated sulfuric acid gives sodium bisulfate plus hydrochloric acid. Here the temperature is less than 200 degrees Celsius. Here concentrated sulfuric acid is less volatile acid as compared to hydrochloric acid, which is more volatile acid. Now let us learn preparation of acids. Hydrogen reacts with non-metals to give an acid. For example, hydrogen plus chlorine gives hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen plus iodine gives hydrogen iodide. Second method of preparation, acidic oxide dissolve in water to give an acid. For example, carbon dioxide plus water gives carbonic acid. Sulfur dioxide plus water gives sulfurous acid. Phosphorus pentoxide with water gives phosphoric acid. Other method of preparing acid, non-metal is oxidized by concentrated nitric acid to give an acid. For example, sulfur plus nitric acid gives sulfuric acid, water and nitrogen dioxide. Here sulfuric acid is the acid that is prepared from non-metal on oxidation. Then non-volatile acids on heating with salts of more volatile acids displace the volatile acid. For example, potassium nitrate with concentrated sulfuric acid gives potassium bisulfate plus nitric acid. Similarly, sodium chloride with concentrated sulfuric acid gives sodium bisulfate plus hydrogen chloride. Now here are some applicable questions on acids. Dear students, please try to answer these questions and prepare well for your examination. Number 1. What is an acid? Write any 5 examples of acid. Question number 2. What are the chemical properties of an acid? Question number 3. How can you prepare acids from non-metallic oxides? Question number 4. Define a strong acid and weak acid. Give some examples. Question number 5. What do you mean by tribasic acid? And give any 3 examples. Question number 6. What do you mean by basicity of an acid? Give the basicity of nitric acid, sulfuric acid and phosphoric acid. Dear students, in my next video, I will teach you about bases and salts. Thank you, dear students.